Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i with your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now open the charging case. And at the right side, the charging case, we have connection button. You need to press and hold this button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking white. Here we go. And now we just enter to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. But maybe I need to turn on and turn off the Bluetooth. And as you can see, we have them. Now we need to tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!